In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your Godaddy website. This is an essential step in understanding your website's performance, as Google Analytics provides invaluable insights into visitor behavior, demographics, and much more. By the end of this guide, you'll have a good grasp of integrating these analytics tools, allowing you to make informed decisions and improve your online presence. First, you'll need a Google Analytics account. If you don't have one, head over to the Google Analytics website and click on Start for Free. Follow the prompts to set up your account. Make sure you use an email that you can easily access because you'll need it for any future updates or alerts. After you've entered all relevant information, you'll gain access to your new Google Analytics dashboard. Once your account is set up, the next task is to create a property for your website. In your Google Analytics dashboard, select Admin. Here, you'll find an option to create a new property. Fill in the details about your website such as the property name, the time zone, and the currency in which you'd prefer the data to be reported. Click Next and then Create to move forward. After successfully creating your property, you'll be provided with a tracking ID and a code snippet. These are crucial for connecting your website to Google Analytics. Keep this browser window open, as you will need this code shortly. Now, navigate to your Godaddy account and log in. Once you're in, head to the Products page and identify the website you'd like to integrate with Google Analytics. Click on Manage next to your selected site. This will take you to the Godaddy Website Builder. Within the Website Builder, look for Settings in the left-hand menu. From there, go to Tracking Analytics. Here is where you'll input the Google Analytics information. Find the section for Google Analytics and paste the tracking ID into the appropriate box. Ensure you paste it exactly as provided, so you don't encounter any errors. Once the tracking ID has been entered, make sure to save your changes. Allow a few minutes for the update to process. Now, return to your Google Analytics dashboard. To ensure that everything is set up correctly, go to the Real-Time section. There, you should start to see data flowing in from your website. If you see data appearing, your integration was successful. Adding Google Analytics to your Godaddy website provides access to a treasure trove of data, empowering you to understand your audience better and tailor your site to meet their needs. Remember, consistent monitoring of this data can lead to effective strategies and improvements over time. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Enjoy analyzing.